Take a ride with me towards Rosario Islands, which are one of 46 natural national parks of Colombia, about 45 minutes or 60 miles away from the coast of Cartagena. Visiting these beautiful islands is a must. On my Airbnb experience, I visited over 5 islands, like the Big Island, Cholon, the party island, a private island that you just saw, as well as Azul and Medusa, where we had lunch. So take a look at all the behind the scenes. Big Island, you guys, I saw these guys selling lobster and ceviche and it cracked me up. And in case you're curious about Pablo Escobar's plane, here is a video that one of the guides took, and you'll see it up close and personal. So here I am, guys, free diving at the Big Island. In case you didn't know, I did that in Roatan too. In Medusa Island, we stopped for an amazing lunch. I opted for fish, So this is the coast right off of Medusa Island. Look how amazing, guys, this water is. So here we are, you guys, nearing Cholon Island. I left all the audio on so you could hear it. So at Cholon Island, I also got my hair braided, you guys, for about $5. So last but definitely not least is Baru Island. We visited 5 islands on my Airbnb experience, and there's 27, you guys.